Oh, I messed up. Oh, I messed up. I messed up. Look at how pretty these shades are. What 229? What the hell? Oh, I love it. This stings. Look how shiny. Gotta hide that double chin. So I got a bunch of things from Nykaa and I got mostly makeup products and a couple of skincare products, and I thought, why don't I show you everything. Also, today's makeup is done using these products only, and I actually have been using these products since the past few weeks, and I can give you my proper reviews, and मैंने आपको पूरा like I've used them for the video and I've got like clips of everything so you can see their real time application as well. So let's start in the order जिसमें सारे products apply होते हैं, and the first one is a lip balm because obviously before starting your makeup you put on a lip balm. Now this one is from Lotus Herbals. It's their strawberry lip balm and this is my favorite lip balm ever. I have bought this product multiple times, and if you're looking for a new lip balm, na, definitely give this a try. This is even available in a cherry variant and cherry wala bhi काफी अच्छा है, but yeah, this is the first product. Now moving on, I've got a couple of concealers. The first one is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers. This is another repurchase, and I'm always in the shade 10 light in this concealer. If you're looking for a new concealer and something like very affordable, budget friendly look, nowhere else get this. ये आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा. And the second concealer, this is the one that I've used today, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. I think this is one of the most raved about concealer that I have ever heard of. So this is the tube-like packaging, and I really found the applicator of this very interesting. This has a very brush kind of applicator. You have to just squeeze some product. Squeeze, the product comes like this, and you have to just apply it. I like to apply my concealer on my inner corners and the outer corners. Now this concealer blends like a dream. Like I love the consistency, and ये बहुत ही easily blend होता है. That is the best thing actually that I loved about this concealer. It blends so easily and it has a pretty good coverage. I can totally see why people rave about it so much, and why like इतना hype इस product का. This is totally worth the hype, and yeah, I love the concealer. So I got this in the shade Classic Ivory, and I have been using this non-stop since I got it. Moving on to more base products. This time I actually got a lot of base products because I needed some new ones. And next मेरे पास दो powder options. So like I bought two different powders. One is from Nykaa, the other one is from Swiss Beauty. Now Swiss Beauty is a very affordable and an amazing brand. Like affordable side, I think it is one of the best brands in India. This is the loose finishing powder. Now first let's appreciate the packaging of this product because look how luxe it feels. So I got this in the transparent variant. मुझे ना कोई specific shade नहीं चाहिए था. मुझे ऐसे loose powders transparent variant में ज़्यादा पसंद है. Now talking about the actual product, I'm actually not the biggest fan of this. Usually every product that I've bought from Swiss Beauty is a hit for me, but this one, it did not work for me personally. I don't know. मतलब इसका powder वगैरह काफी अच्छा है. It's a very finely milled powder and it's good, but whenever I use it, my skin feels extra dry. अभी तो मैंने एक दो बार use किया, but मेरे को इतना अच्छा experience नहीं रहा था. I did not use it further. But the second product, the second powder, I am having amazing experience with it, which is this Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder. Now since the weather has started to get a little dry and cold, I am not going to powder my entire face. I'll just put this on the areas where I put the concealer to just set it. And I'm using a round brush to do so. It's just for $225. It's like a great competition for the Maybelline Superstay. So loving this. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The next two pieces are from Sugar. Sugar again is a very affordable and a really good brand. And I got a blush and a bronzer from them. The first one is the Contour The Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Taupe Topper. Now this is a very light shade and I got this for days when I don't want to go heavy on my bronzer, and ये ना cool shade है. I love like a cool tone brown on my skin, and I think it complements my skin really well. We are bronzed. Now let's move on to the blush. So blush again मैंने Sugar का ही एक blush लिया. I'm actually looking for some good blushes. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी recommendation है, you can give it to me in the comment. This is in the shade Peach Pink. It's their Contour The Force Mini Blush. in the shade Peach Pink. No, Peach Peak, sorry, Peach Peak. Now again, even this is a very soft shade, but if you just want a light blush everyday life के लिए, colleges वगैरह के लिए, it's really good. And काफी powdery सा है, I have to say that, so keep that in mind. And again for blush, let's apply it. Today I want to go for that blushy वाला look, like काफी सारा blush रहने वाला. And we cannot forget our nose. So I like to apply a little bit of blush on the nose and the forehead. That's it, it's done. So both the products are really good, and as usual I love the packaging of Sugar for this magnetic thingy that they have. Moving on to a highlighter that I got. It literally looks like मैंने हर category से एक product लिया है. This one is another purchase from Swiss Beauty, and I do want to show you the packaging because look how shiny is this packaging. ये इसका liquid highlighter है. So there is this dropper, and this one I got in the shade light pink. So when I was trying this out for the first time, मुझे इतना idea नहीं था कि liquid highlighter कैसे use करते हैं या फिर कितना उसका pigmentation है, how much to apply it. So I applied a lot of it, and यहाँ पे पूरे से स्टार्क हाईलाइटर की लाइन बन चुकी थी. आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग आउट द प्रोडक्ट्स घर पे ही, जैसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी ऑब्वियसली, बट स्टिल लाइक देन आई गॉट टू रियलाइज कि इसको बहुत थोड़ा यूज करना होता है. एंड आई थिंक पर्सनली ना द बेस्ट वे ऑफ यूजिंग इट फॉर मी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी would be under your foundation. Next I got this brow pencil from Etude House, and this one is in the shade grey brown. There was some sort of discount, or I think there was some offer going on, buy one get one kind of, and I got another one for free. So out of the two, I think I'll use the grayish brown wala jo shade hai. I'll use that today, and I have been using this brow product since a month, and I have been loving it. So it has a it has a spoolie with which I'll just run, like I'll just comb my brows with this. Now obviously this is like no rocket science. I have to just fill my brows with this product. Can you see the difference? Like brows totally change your face, and it just changes the makeup game. So this one is filled. Yeah, I'll fill this in a second, but it's really good and it's easy to apply. Now next I've got two products for eye makeup. Both of these I've used to do my eye makeup today actually. The first one is a makeup palette again from Swiss Beauty, and I freaking stand by Swiss Beauty's makeup eyeshadow palette. Now the shades in this are very like fall winter appropriate, but it's a dark and warm tone shades है, तो मैंने इसीलिए इसको लिया इस time के लिए. So I know I'll be using this a lot. I'm just taking this brown shade here, and I'm just going to apply this all over my crease. Then I'll take this brown shade to define my crease specifically. I want to use this dark shade to define my crease a little bit more, but I hope I don't ruin it. And finally, a little bit of this champagne kind of sparkly shade. I'll apply this all over the lid. It's just for 229 rupees. Guys, if you're looking for a makeup palette na, like छोटू सा, बहुत बड़ा नहीं. If you want something with like 9 shades or something, definitely check out Swiss Beauty, and you'll find them in different variants. So I'm done with majority of the eye makeup with the palette. Now for eyeliner, what I've been doing these days is, एक तो मैं outer ring बनाती हूँ जो कि मैं सिर्फ यहीं तक लेके आती हूँ, and secondly I do a very small inner wing. So it's basically a inner corner पे ऐसा pointy सा thing, and then outer corner पे wing, and that is basically what I do. And then I put on this white kajal. This might be my favorite product from this video actually. So it is from Color Bar, and it's their all-rounder pencil in the shade 005 Innocent White. Now this product was for 450 rupees and definitely worth every penny. I love the pigmentation. I love how easy it is to apply. It's a glide कर जाता है इतना smoothly, and definitely my favorite. This one has one of the best pigmentation that I've seen in any white kajal. Let me just give you a little swatch here. Now I've applied this all over my bottom lash line. Now I'll complete my entire eye makeup, mascara and everything, and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. And the makeup, like the eye makeup is done. So can you see the inner corner and that wing? Like it just gives this cat eye wala effect, which I am really liking. And the makeup is almost done. The last makeup product is actually this liquid lipstick from Nika K. I got this lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. This one is a very like dusty pink mauve kind of shade. Let me give you a swatch of this lipstick. Look how pretty is this lipstick shade. So obviously I'll be using this to complete my makeup. This is the last product and the lipstick is on. I think this kind of shade of a lipstick, this will complement every skin tone. And now the last makeup product. This one was actually a freebie. Swiss Beauty का कुछ offer चल रहा था, इतने रुपए की shopping करोगे तो एक lipstick मिलेगी type. And it's in a very deep, like a very rich burgundy maroon kind of shade. This sting. I don't know what is wrong with this product. मतलब expiry तो इसकी 2024 में है. But why does this sting so bad? And it has a very chemically smell. Like वो कुछ products है ना, ऐसा लगता है कि when you're applying it, it feels very chemically. It feels like you're harming your skin or something. मुझे वैसी vibe आती है, पता है? Whenever I apply it, like मैंने एक ही बार apply किया to try it. Thank God it was a freebie. Thank God I did not invest my money in it क्योंकि फ्री का है तो मुझे फेंकने में उतना दुख नहीं होगा. एंड इसमें प्राइस इसका 199 रुपीज दिया है. मैं इसके लिए 0 रुपए भी ना दूँ. एंड नाउ द फाइनल 2 products are skincare products. The first one is another repurchase. I think I've done a lot of repurchases this time. This one is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin A. It's a moisturizer basically. And this is my holy grail for winters. I have raved about this in so many videos. And if you have dry skin, और obviously winters में तो हर एक की स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, प्लीज गेट दिस, यू वोंट रिग्रेट इट. ये बहुत अमेजिंग है. आई हैवंट सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बिकॉज this is such a good product. Now lastly the final product of this video is again from Swiss Beauty. Like literally कितने products लिए मैं Swiss Beauty से, I think आधा तो उसी का सामान दिख रहा है मुझे. But this one is a mask, a face mask, and I did not know कि Swiss Beauty के जो skincare products जैसे face mask वगैरह भी हैं. We need to appreciate the packaging because look how cute. Obviously it's in lavender. I love lavender. And ये जो इसका tub वाला packaging है कितना cute लग रहा है. This was available in a bunch of different variants. There was the avocado one, lemon वाला भी था शायद, like बहुत सारे थे और हर एक कितने क्यूट कलर्स थे. आई जस्ट वांट टू बाय एवरीथिंग जस्ट लाइक डिस्प्ले देम इन माय वॉशरूम. ऐसे इतने क्यूट कलर्स है, कितने क्यूट लगेगा वो. सो बट आई डिड नॉट बाय मोर. पहले मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है रिश्ता, काम डाउन, लेट्स यूज दिस एंड देखते हैं कि मास्क कैसा है. तो व्हेन यू ओपन इट, इसके अंदर ऐसे स्पैचुला टाइप का आता है टू टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट एंड अप्लाई इट. And then there's the main product. Whenever you apply it, it feels very moisturizing and I'm liking it so far. It's quite good. And yeah, there is a last product. And with this, we come to the end of this video. My battery is flashing, so I'll like do this outro very quickly. Thank you for being here. And अगर subscribe नहीं किया अभी तक तो please subscribe करो यार. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's it. Bye guys. I love you.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.